If you don't seem to be producing mucus right now, this could be the cause. It is important to grow Drosera copensis healthily as the cause of the lack of mucus in Drosera copensis. To do so, the roots of Drosera copensis must also be nurtured well. To grow healthy roots, the soil is important. Let's start with the soil. I used to grow Drosera copensis in sphagnum moss at first, but now I use only Carnivorous soil. Why did I quit using sphagnum moss? Sphagnum moss is easy to replant, but the problem was that the soil was easily damaged. Also, sphagnum moss by itself, persistent algae, and the roots would not get enough oxygen, and it may stunt the growth of the plants. Therefore, I grow sphagnum moss in Carnivorous soil. If you use sphagnum moss, put pumice on the bottom of the pot. Wrap the roots of Drosera copensis gently with moss, and fill the surrounding area with Carnivorous soil. Covering the area with Carnivorous soil will prevent the formation of persistent algae. The second reason for the lack of mucilage is lack of water. If the soil is dry, mucus secretion will be poor. So, water when the soil is dry. In spring and fall, I irrigate once in the morning. In summer, I irrigate once in the morning and once at night. In winter, the soil dries out infrequently, so I irrigate while keeping an eye on it. Also, when watering Drosera copensis, be careful not to get water on the mucilage. Therefore, it is recommended to use a pitcher like this when watering. Drosera copensis leaves may turn brown. This can be caused by too much sunlight. However, the type of water may also have something to do with it. It is the difference between soft water and hard water. Soft water is water with low mineral content. Hard water is water with high mineral content. The brown tips of Drosera are due to minerals being carried from the soil to the leaves and deposited on the tips. Over time, the tips will begin to wither. If the tips of new shoots are black, this is due to mineral accumulation. Drosera leaves have tiny hairs on them. These hairs are called trichomes. The tips of the trichomes contain glands that secrete nectar to attract insects. When excess minerals are carried throughout the plant, some of them accumulate in the trichomes. This clogs the glands and prevents nectar production. Sodium is a mineral, so it is important to avoid sodium when watering insectivorous plants. When watering insectivorous plants, the mineral level should be less than 50 ppm. The use of a water softener is recommended for this purpose. High temperature conditions can also cause similar symptoms. The third reason for lack of mucus is due to lack of sunlight. Drosera will stop producing mucus if it is not exposed to sunlight. I expose my plants to sunlight in spring, fall, and winter. However, direct sunlight is not good. Direct sunlight can cause leaf scourge, which can lead to the death of the plant, not to mention the mucilage, or even wither and die. Therefore, it is recommended to use a shade sheet to prevent direct sunlight. In my case, I avoid direct sunlight only in summer because the sun is too strong, and I expose my plants 2 weeks sunlight through a window. Also, during the winter, the mucus secretion may decrease due to slow growth. These are the measures that can be taken when Drosera does not produce mucus. How do you grow Drosera? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. For more videos on Drosera, please click here. Thank you for watching.